The build off is over, but that doesn't mean we're done.
I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want
to. I want to go to Princeton this weekend. Rat ROD Magazine's coming to town, which is another 2 hours north of here. I'm really putting some miles on this thing right out of the gate. Hopefully it's for the best. But there's some things we gotta fix. Like, it's got a hell of a miss in 7 and 8 cylinders, so I don't know if wiring's the problem, or coil packs are junk, or spark plugs just took a crap on me. I don't know what's going on there. But we're gonna see if we can't diagnose it and fix it. If not, we'll go like it is. Now, I'm not sure how to best attack this problem yet. I gotta figure out what's going on. Is it the injector? Is it the coil? Is it a spark plug? Is it a wire? I don't know, but it's definitely number 7 and 8 have the biggest missing issues. So we're gonna see if we can't figure it out. I think the first thing I'm gonna do, test my injector resistance to make sure that's okay. And then maybe swap coil packs with another cylinder to see if the miss follows the coil pack or not, because that's gonna be a tell too. Let's get started.
10 seconds later.
I don't know what the hell's going on. All of a sudden today, my HP tuners will not connect to the truck. I don't know why. It worked yesterday, nothing's changed, and now it won't connect. My cheap-ass Harbor Freight scanner will connect. What gives? I don't frickin' know. But whatever, we'll see if we can't deal with it on this. I don't know what the deal is. I don't know. Well, I don't know what the frickin' problem is, but I don't have time to wait for it. I am updating to the latest version. Maybe that's the problem. I don't know. It worked yesterday. Nothing's changed. My cheap scanner still works, and that just won't connect to it. I don't know why. So I guess we're back to the old school methods of diagnostics without a computer. Yeah, fun. Maybe I should do cylinder 7 first. I wonder if I just disconnect it, if it'll make a difference in how it runs. Because it's misfiring a lot. Well, it was. I can't tell you how many times now because my computer won't connect to it. Blah, 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 blah. I'm a computer. I'm smarter than you, but I can't do anything. Yes, I'm a little aggravated, but we'll get through it. I disconnected that cylinder and it doesn't make any difference. How about if we disconnect cylinder 8 and 7 and see how she sounds? Ooh, that's way down in there now. What wire is that? I don't remember. My goal was to, switch coil packs and see if the Misfire changes cylinders, but I can't do that without my computer. I'm sorry, I'll stop complaining. Okay, I think there's definitely something going on with those 2 cylinders because it doesn't sound really any worse. So, I wish that computer was working. I guess I can check resistance on things and see what that tells me. Okay, we might have got lucky. I reinstalled the program and now it looks like it's connected, so we're good. Let's see what it says. Those cylinders the plugs aren't even hooked up on these 2 cylinders and they're still misfiring. Just as much as they were when they were hooked up. And it smells awful fuely, so I think the injectors are working just fine. Sorry, I got distracted by a text message from my wife. So what I think the best thing to do is how do I do this? We're gonna switch the position of at least one coil and see if the miss follows the coil or not. It seems like the easiest way to find out what's going on, hopefully. I switched the coils of 7 and 5, and I ohm tested the injector, and the injector on cylinder 7 and cylinder 1 are the exact same, so I'm assuming the injector's probably okay. I tried to ohm out the spark plug wires, but I couldn't get it to work, and I'm not sure why, but it wasn't working, so I gave up and switched them too. If it still has the issue after this, it's either the spark plug or it is the injector or the wiring for the injector, one or the other. So we'll give it a shot and see what happens. Ooh, I probably should plug the coils back in first. Just saw they were still out. There's 1, and there's 5. Let's see if we made any difference. If anything moved anywhere. I'm waiting for my cable guy to show up, and he's not here yet. Darn it. So the interesting thing is, this cylinder's not even hooked up right now. I pulled the plug wire off. So this cylinder isn't firing at all, and this one's still not changing. What do you think that means? I find it extremely hard to be an internal engine problem on 2 cylinders. If it was 1 cylinder that was giving me this much grief, I would probably lean that way. And maybe it is, maybe it is, I don't know. But to me it seems odd that the same 2 cylinders on the back of the motor are the ones causing the problem. I wonder if the injectors are firing right. Like, are they firing at the right time? The cable guy finally showed up and is finally gone. Apparently that whole window they give you when they're gonna be here and stuff is not accurate at all. I dug out my spark plug tester just because the way this thing is acting with the plugs disconnected makes me think they're not even firing. So I really don't know what's going on here, so I'm trying to diagnose it down a little bit. We are gonna actually attempt. I can't see there. I need a stool to get up there. All right, let's see if we can do this here. Oh my God. These wires are difficult to get off, Jesus. We'll put you in there. This will go back on the coil. And then I gotta try and reach down here and find the plug. Yeah. Probably would have been smart to do the other side first. Just, what is going on here? The camera's stuck, this won't go on. Oh my God, maybe we can get it from the below. Yeah, this is going awesome. Why won't it go on? I'm cutting my arm, and this is stuck now. Oh, twisted in there a little bit. I don't know if you can see that or not. It is definitely twisted down in there. Ow. Ow. There she goes. Now I'm stabbing myself in the arm with my knife and cutting my outside of my arm with the fender. Let's just see what it does, I guess. So I just started this thing back up, and now look. I don't get it. Definitely getting spark, and now it's not nearly. I mean, you guys saw it. It was like a lot. Kind of blocked in right now. I don't know if I want to move that tonight or not because it's getting to be late. But I wonder if I put my foot on the brake in gear, try and give it some gas, if it'll start popping. Cylinder 8 is still popping under load. I'm not sure why. I think I need to take it for a drive and really see what's going on, I think. Yeah, I think so.
The next day.
Because yesterday I had this thing showing almost no more misfires, I'm not sure the problem's fixed or not. So I decided to go get plugs and wires and really just give this thing a full-on tune-up and make sure everything's good to go. I can't drive it right now because, well, I blocked myself in and I got other things going on tonight, so it is what it is. I'm gonna get in here though and try and get all these plugs and wires changed and eliminate all that from the equation. I don't know why when I moved the coils they stopped acting. I don't know what's going on. Straight up honest, I don't know. All I did last night was move coils from one spot to another, and the misses went away. So Let's get these plugs changed and see how we do. Well, that was quick and easy. Got them all switched out. I did the right thing and didn't keep track of which one came out of what, but you know, I mean, that one's got a little brown on it. I don't know what's normal or not. I've never been very good at reading plugs. They definitely look old. This is the driver's side, and these are the passenger side ones. I don't know. They look rusty, so they must have been in there for a while. And then I had one plug wire come apart on me. I don't know if that was causing any problems or not, but it definitely didn't stay together, so if that was a problem, it's gone now. Let's crank her up and see how she sounds. Hope for the best. Should be fine. Okay, we got her fired up here. Started right up, sounds pretty good. Still missing on the same 2 cylinders, but not near as bad as it was. Sounds a lot better. Maybe we can put it under some load and see what it wants to do. I think that's okay. We'll get her out and get her test drove tomorrow. I don't know why. All of a sudden that's not moving. I don't know why. But I can't get it out tonight. I got places to be. I was just trying to get this done quick. We just lost our gauges again. Those worked all 300 miles home and now they just went out again. What do you think that means? I really don't know what that means. It's frustrating though. I don't get it. Not today. God, that's frustrating. What is going on with these things? One problem at a time.
The next day.
Just for the record, I left my camera on the fender and drove away from home, so I got it picked up now. We're just gonna do a little test drive and see if we fixed any of our misfire issues. At an idle, it seems to be doing better, so we'll see what she does going down the road here. Hood latch should at least hold it for now.
A few moments later.
All right, folks, take 2.
I even brought a spare. Look, I even got my seatbelt working today.
Seatbelt safety.
I haven't got O2 sensors hooked up. I don't remember what cylinder I moved the coil from 7 to though.
What do you mean you didn't mark it somewhere?
I'll remember as soon as I open the hood.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it ran pretty good.
I'm free! Oh, my back.
Oh, you old lady.
Well, the test drive was successful. I think we're going to be good to go for Princeton this weekend. But I'm not done yet. I got a couple other things I want to try and get done before Princeton. We'll see if it happens. Oh boy, I am glad I got that heat this morning. She is chilly. And I think, let me run down my checklist here. Yep. Got everything that I could remember as of last night, so we should be good. Time to fire this beast up and hit the road, I think. Hoo-wee. Of course, we got horses in the cup holder, because why not? That's what we do. Everything seems to be working good this morning. So that's about it. Oh no, flat tire. Boy, that's some age there. Rat rod. Oh, that's 50 to go. That's a wrap for today in Princeton. I didn't get a whole lot of video because I spent a lot of time talking to people, which is freaking awesome. But we're cleaning up. We're getting ready to get out. Rat Rod booth is packing up. We'll get on the road here a little bit and hopefully make it home to some hours, whatever it is. I don't know. I'll let you know though. I'll keep you posted. Oh, yep. Okay. Oh, yeah. Time to stretch. Oh, well, we made it. 2 hours home again. And thankfully, no problems. I would have done some recording, but my daughter was asleep with the camera under her arm in the seatbelt, so that wasn't really an option. But the old girl proved herself again. I'm happy with it. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Maybe we'll go for another cruise. I think I did 300 miles last weekend, and I've got to be nearing that 300 mile again this weekend. So for the first couple runs of this thing, that's pretty freaking awesome if you ask me. But thanks for watching. See ya.